moment you walk in.
Hi, I'd like to do one of them Cheetos lover boxes. Let me do the Sweet Lightning Mountain Dew.
The Mountain Dew?
Yeah, the Sweet Lightning.
That's Sweet Lightning. Anything
Yep.
else?
Nope, that'll be it.
Record.
Thank you.
That's it?
Yeah. Pass them out.
Time to do something.
It's right here. And then Sweet Lightning.
Thank you.
And then Lover's Box.
Oh, shit.
There you go.
Thank you. Thanks, you too. Fucking Christ, that was a fucking shit show. If only you guys could have seen what them fucking people looked like. I can't say that anymore though. YouTube will demonetize it because I said the guy looked funny and the lady was about 480 pounds. Ouch. Oh, shit. Alright guys, let's park this and start this shit. Alright guys, so total came to 10.57. Okay. Obviously you heard I got a Sweet Lightning Mountain Dew. Always delicious. I've already had these a few times. And I'm not a big soda drinker, but I do have a weakness for this stuff. It's delicious. So let's see what I got. So this box comes with potato wedges, which for some reason they put in a separate thing. These are always pretty good. Yep. Number's good. But let's get into what we're really here for. The KFC Lover's Box. This lady's looking at me. Hey, how you doing? Sorry about that. Had technical difficulties. So, the Lover's Box. We got the Cheetos popcorn chicken. We'll try that first. Smells pretty good. Ooh. Smells cheesy, like like Cheetos, obviously. Let me turn my air conditioner down. So here's one close up. Hey, Marcos. I work with him. If you can see, deep inside there, if you look in there, there's a shit ton of that Cheeto sauce, whatever you want to call it, in the bottom. Pretty good. Sorry guys, radar detector. A little bit of Sweet Lightning. You guys haven't tried that yet, try it. Mac and cheese, which I believe KFC already had mac and cheese, but I don't remember. We'll try it real quick just for the hell of it. Smells good-ish. Bland. Not very cheesy. What the fuck are you looking at? Actually, it's not that bad. Mac and cheese is just okay, but cleanse the palate. what we're really here for. The KFC Cheetos chicken sandwich. Holy shit, it's filthy. Look at that motherfucker. Oh my god. Look at all them goddamn Cheetos. Look at that. The mayonnaise. Alright, well, Dame Drops really like this. Let's see. Oh, fuck. Hold on. This bite right here will have a Cheeto in it. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, my big bite. Full plate, folks. Shout out to Bomb. Sorry about that, guys. Well, I don't want to stop eating this thing, but I'm going to. Napkins in the bag, bonus points. Alright, guys, so for the KFC Cheetos Lovers Box, overall, 5 out of 5. Go get one of these. This type. I guess break it down individually. Potato wedges, they're about a 3. The mac and cheese is about a 3. Then you got the Sweet Light and Mountain Dew. You have to make sure you get Sweet Light Mountain Dew. That gets a 5 already. That popcorn Cheeto chicken, whatever the hell you want to call it, 5. Actually, no, I'm gonna give that a 4. The sandwich, 5 out of 5. High 5 out of 5. Something about that mayo with the Cheetos and the Cheetos like sauce and dust plus actual Cheetos is delicious. Seriously, guys, get your ass to KFC tomorrow, whenever this is up, and try it and comment right down below and let me know what you guys think. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it. Please give this video a thumbs up, smack the like button, whatever you want to say. Comment below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And shout out to all the people that I work with. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Joey Kong 94 out.